Hi all, welcome to my channel Tech Talk with Madhav for another round of tech news for today. Starting with Oppo has launched its mid-ranger Oppo A52 with a massive 5000 mAh battery and Snapdragon 665 for a price range of 16,990, and this will go on sale from the 17th of June on all online and offline channel partners. Coming to its specifications, it has a 6.5-inch full high definition display, LCD display, and comes with a Snapdragon 665 processor, 18-watt fast charge, and Android 10 out of the box. In the optics department, it has a main 12MP shooter, a 8MP ultra wide camera, and a 2-megapixel macro shooter and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. Looking at the price range and specifications, I'm not sure whether this would do good in terms of numbers and sales, because it will have stiff competition in Indian market from its competitors like MI, Vivo, and Realme, because they have better devices with better internals, better processor, and better optic range. So let's see how the sales go good in India once it is launched. Next is with Motorola. Motorola has announced that it is launching its Motorola One Fusion Plus device in India on the 16th of June, and this comes with a 6.5-inch full high definition LCD notchless bezel-less display, a 5000 mAh battery, a 15-watt fast charger, and stock Android out of the box. As far as the pricing is concerned, it's not yet confirmed. According to rumors and leaks, it is said to be equivalent to its euro pricing, which is euro 299, approximately 24,500 Indian rupees. And coming to the internals, it is coming with a Snapdragon 730 processor. It comes with a 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. Looking at the pricing and the specs, I would not say it is something very effective pricing or competitive pricing, because as per rumors, we all know that OnePlus is going to launch a mid-ranger on the 12th of July, which till now we were calling it as OnePlus Z. However, leaks suggest that it would be called as OnePlus Nord, which has better specification in terms of optics as well as RAM, as well as the processor used. So Motorola comes with, as I said, 730G processor, and in the camera department, the main shooter would be a 64-megapixel shooter, a 8-megapixel ultra wide camera, a 5-megapixel macro shooter, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. As I said, it looks good, but the pricing is what Motorola has to look at, because Motorola, I guess, is confused in terms of the Indian market and its strategies in Indian market, because as I said, OnePlus Nord is gonna release on the July 12th, and it has better processors. It has Snapdragon 765G with a 5G support. It comes with 6GB and 128GB internal. And in camera department, it has a 64-megapixel main shooter, then an 8-megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, with a 30-watt fast charging, 4300 mAh battery, and a 6.6-inch full high definition AMOLED display. So if you compare Motorola OnePlus and OnePlus Nord has superior internals and externals as compared to Motorola. So we have to wait and watch how this device fares in Indian market once it is launched. The next one is coming from Nokia. Nokia is launching its Music Express 5310 feature smartphone in Indian market on the 16th of July. And earlier Nokia used to be a giant in the phone market. Like, it used to have very good phones like Nokia Engage, Nokia N72, the communicator series, which I personally used. I enjoyed using the communicator series. And now coming to the 5310, earlier it already had this 5310 Express Music version with the Symbian OS, which did very well in Indian marketing before the launch of Android. So now we have to wait and watch how this device will look in terms of the build quality. Will it be the same build quality that Nokia used to provide earlier in ages, and will it be the same service that we will get from Nokia? Coming to this device specifications, the Nokia 5310 runs on Series 30 Plus OS, and it's powered by a 1200 mAh removable battery, and it comes with a 2.40 inch display. It's a TFT display, and comes with 8 MB of RAM and 16 MB of ROM. When you compare such internals with the latest smartphones, I know this is not a smartphone, so we have to wait and watch how this phone does. So the specialities of this phone is it comes with dual front firing speakers, and this comes with the same music controls towards the side as it used to have in the earlier series of Express Music of Nokia 5310. So and it's a dual SIM phone. It will accept 2 SIM cards in it, and it weighs, as per leaks, it weighs around 88.20 grams, and it is launched in white and red combination and black and red combination colors. And connectivity options on the Nokia 5310 include FM radio with active 4G on both SIM cards. That's from Nokia. And the last news is from Google. You might have heard by now that in future you might have the voice of our Bollywood superstar Sri Amitabh Bachchan ji navigating us on the Google Maps. That's an interesting move from Google. Let's wait and watch how it turns out to be and how the experience would be while navigating using Google Maps. That's all with the tech news for today. Keep subscribing as you do. Please do hit the bell icon if you haven't done till now to get the latest updates from our channel. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.